Okay, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Insignia 1.7 cubic foot compact refrigerator. I got this at Best Buy. It was an open box for $74.99. It retails for $94.99. Again, I got it at Best Buy. Insignia is their brand. I'm reading the specs here, and it is from the height of the top of the door hinge is 19.5 inches. The width is 17.4, the depth is 18.9, and it weighs 33.5 pounds. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing now. There's a reversible door also that can be fastened on the right and the left. So I'm recording this on my iPhone 5S. So sorry for the quality. I'm going to put the video on pause now so I can open it, and I'll remove it from the package and I'll show you the contents. Okay, so it's now opened. I broke the seals. I'm gonna remove it. So from the looks of it, it appears to be packed very well with these little styrofoam pieces for protection. That looks good so far. Also in a piece of plastic. I'm gonna put it on pause again so I can remove it out of the box. Okay, I removed it out of the box. I'm gonna take this plastic off now. What's this say? This surface is protected by plastic film and should be removed before use. And it appears that this particular one does not have the plastic film. I believe it's because it's the open box model. See, there's some scratches on top here. Looks like there's some scratches. Some nice scratches everywhere. Oh man, it's beat up over here too. I guess that's what happens when you get an open box model. It's dented here. Look at that. I don't know if I'll be keeping this, but I did save $20 by purchasing the open box. Here's the rear. Here's some more information on the back. For those of you that are interested, if that means anything to you. Alright, I'm gonna open it, show you the inside. Oh, here's the plastic film on the front. I don't know if you can see that or not because of the lighting here. It's taped on the side. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. There we are. I'll probably do another video in the future. In the not too far future, showing how much this refrigerator can hold. I'll probably put some bottles of waters or some sodas or something for those of you that are probably in college and are going to be storing a lot of drinks. I have some TV dinners also. I'll probably put some TV dinners in here. Again, for those of you in college and dorms, maybe. You're going to be storing TV dinners and drinks. Maybe some condiments over here. I'll see. I'll figure something out, and I'll post another video showing how much it can hold. So here's a rack and ice cube maker holder, the user guide, energy guide. It says it'll cost $25 a year to run this model. There's your temperature control from off to 6. There's the little freezer section. Okay, not too bad for $75. Besides that one dent I saw on the back and these scratches here on the side. There's a scratch. There's a scratch. See these scratches here. I'll look at it a little bit more thoroughly. But this was a unboxing, so I'm seeing everything for the first time just as well as you guys are. So I'll go over a little bit more detail and look at everything, inspect it, make sure it runs properly at the temperature that I set it at. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Hopefully it was informative. I'll be posting more unboxings in the future. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. For now I'm using my iPhone 5S, but I have a better camera. If I decide to post more unboxings and other content, I might utilize that camera. But you guys let me know what you think. Alright, thanks for viewing. Bye.